friends, so this is my Giant Food Store couponing haul. So I do enjoy now couponing in Giant, especially if there is promotion in Unilever products like Dove, body wash. So this week, November 5 to November 11, there is promotion in Giant Food Store that there is $5 off when you spend $15 in select Unilever product. So it includes Dove body wash for men and women, Dove Dry Spray for men and women, then Axe spray, and also Axe stick. And then in Fetch, there is promotion that when you buy certain product in the store, there is 5,000 points when you spend 15. So it's limit of 4. So this is the promotion. So it includes the ice cream also. And then this is the Hellmann's mayonnaise. And then it includes also Tresemme and some food. So when you purchase it in the store, it did not include the pharmacy. And then in Fresh also, there is separate promotion for Dove Dry Spray for men and women, then Axe. So in the Dove Dry Spray, so I'll show to you guys my note. So the promotion for Dove deodorant spray for men and women is buy 2 and you will get 2,000 points. It's a limit of 5. Sorry for the typo on that. And then also for the Dove Men deodorant stick, there is buy 2 and get 2,000 points. It's a limit of 5. And then for the Axe deodorant stick or spray is 1,000 points, limit of 5. So the promotion started September 5 up to November 15. It reset and here, so the Fetch up is get 5,000 points, equivalent to $5 when you spend 15 on Unilever products up to 4 times from October 30 to November 30. And then in the Giant is $5 off when you spend 15 up to November 11. So in the first transaction, I maximize the Fetch promotion. So I combined the Dove body wash for women. So I did not bought Dove body wash for men because Giant don't accept expired coupon. And I used the recent coupon for Dove body wash for women. So I don't have a body wash for men manufacturing coupon. So the Dove body wash is on sale for $5.99. And this is the big bottle, the 22 ounce. So I bought 2 Dove Deep Moisture. And then Dove Morning Blossom. This is 22 ounce. They're both 22 ounce. So it's $5.99 also. And the coupon that I use for Dove, this is the insert November 7 save insert. This is the $3 off on Dove body wash. So the expiration is November 20 and it's a limit of 2. This is from save insert. And then the Dove Dry Spray is part of the promotion in Unilever and also in Giant Food Store. And it's $6.49. There is rebate also in Ibotta. It's limit of 5 when you buy Dove Men Plus Care Dry Spray or stick. But I picked 2 dry spray and 2 Dove for women. Because I don't have Dove Dry Spray for women in my stockpile. So this is Clean Comfort. And then this is Powder Soft. So it's $6.49. And then the Axe is part of the $5 off when you spend 15 promotion. This is on sale for $4.49. So I bought 1 Axe 48 high definition scent. This is Cool Ocean scent. And then 2 Excite scent. This is the other one. And then 1 Phoenix. This is the scent that my husband liked, the Phoenix. And then the coupon that I use for Axe is, this is the $3 off. I use 2 of that. And for the Dove Dry Spray, this is the coupon that I use. So it's limit of 2 also. So I alternate also the coupon when I hand over it to the cashier. So this is my note in my first transaction. So the Axe body spray is $4.49 and the 4 are $17.96. And then the Dove Woman Dry Spray is priced for $6.49 and the 2 are $12.98. The 2 Dove Men Dry Spray are $12.98. It's priced also for $6.49. And then the 4 Dove Body Wash for Women is priced for $5.99 or $23.96. My subtotal are $67.88. And then the store promotion, so there is no limit, is $5 off 15 when you spend 15. So my subtotal are $67.88 before tax. That's why I got $20 discount on that for spending more than 60. And then I used $3 off 2 Axe manufacturing coupon from November 7 save insert. So total are $6. I used 2 $4 Dove or Degree manufacturing coupon from November 7 save insert. So total are $8. And then I used 2 $3 Dove Body Wash for Women manufacturing coupon from November 7 save insert. So total are $6. So I paid $27.88, and then the tax is $1.68. So my total money that I paid are $29.56. But I got 20,000 points, that is equivalent to $20 in Fetch when I submitted my receipt. So I spent 15, get 5,000 points. And it's up to 4 times. That's why I got 20,000 points. And then I got also 2,000 points in Dove Women's Spray, 2,000 points in Dove Men's Spray. Sorry for the typo. Then 4,000 points in Axe. It's a limit of 5, 1,000 points each. And then I got 683 bonus points. I got total of 28,683 points. That is equivalent to $28.68. Plus, I got $4 rebate in Ibotta for buying 2 Dove Men Plus Care Dry Spray. I got $4 rebate for buying 4 Axe. So total, I got $36.68, deducting it to the money that I paid to the $29.56. Making my first transaction free plus $7.12 moneymaker for my first transaction. Yay! I got free stuff. So this is my receipt in my first transaction. So the Dove is on sale, $5.99. The Dove spray is $6.49. The Axe is $4.49. And then for $5 off for the Unilever promotion in Giant. And then my Dove manufacturing coupon came out. The Axe came out also. And then this $4 that is for the Dove Dry Spray. So my total are $29.56 including the tax. I saved $52. And then I got all the rebate in Ibotta and the points in Fetch. And then in the second transaction, so I bought 4 Dove Body Wash and 2 Axe spray. So I used my husband's Fetch account in this. In the first transaction, I used my Fetch account. So the Dove Body Wash is $5.99. So I bought 4. 1 Soothing Care, 1 Deep Moisture, and 2 Dove Relaxing Lavender Scent. And it's 22 ounce. And then the Axe stick is $4.49. And this is my note in the second transaction. So the 4 Dove body wash are $23.96. And then the 2 Axe deodorant are $8.98. My subtotal are $32.94. Then less the $5 off 15 store promotion. So my subtotal are $32.94. That's why I got $10 off. Then I use my 200 points. So I redeem it. So after redeeming it, it deduct $2. And then I use $2 $3 Dove manufacturing coupon from Save Insert. And then my Axe deodorant coupon is $3. I paid $11.94. And then there is 90 cents tax. So total, I paid $12.84. My one coupon for Dove did not came off, but the customer service just gave me $3 for the coupon. So that's a good thing in Giant. If the coupon is valid and it did not came off, they refund you. They refund the coupon in form of cash. So I got $3 for the other coupon that did not came off. And then I got 12,345 points in Fetch. That is equivalent to $12.34. Then I submitted my receipt in Ibotta. I got $2 for buying 2 Axe stick deodorant. So total, I got $14.34, making it free plus $2 money. So this is my receipt in my last transaction. So this is the $2 grocery dollar discount. And then $5 off for buying Unilever product. And then my manufacturing coupon for Axe, and then 1 Dove coupon came out. The other one did not, but I got a $3 refund on that. So my savings here is $25.80. And if you don't have store discount, your item still free. Submit it to Fetch, and then you will get 10,000 points in their promotion that when you spend 15, and then additional 2,000 points when you purchase Axe stick deodorant. And then submit it to Ibotta, you will get $1 each. And then your final out of pocket is free plus 34 cents moneymaker. So I'm so happy to what I got in Giant. So all are free. Plus in the first transaction, I got total of $7.12 moneymaker. It includes the tax already. And then in the second, I got $2 moneymaker. So total, I got $9.12 moneymaker in my haul in Giant. So I'm so happy I got Dove, I got Axe, I got deodorant. And then I can use the points that I got in Fetch in CVS or in Amazon, because I usually redeem my points in Fetch. I redeem CVS gift card so that every time I coupon in CVS, I can use that instead of my cash or my card. So thank you so much guys for watching, and have a blessed day everyone.